Reason number 1, what FlowFuse adds to standard Node-RED. FlowFuse makes it much easier to get started with Node-RED and to keep up to date with the versions of Node-RED and Node.js. If you go to the Node-RED website, there are many ways to get started. Many people install Node-RED locally or use Docker. If you install locally, there are detailed instructions available for you to follow. First, you need to install Node.js, and then you need to install Node-RED. This process can be pretty time-consuming, and there are a lot of details that you need to get right. Once you've installed Node-RED, you also need to make sure you keep up to date on the versions of Node.js and Node-RED. For instance, the current recommended version of Node.js is version 16.x, but this could change into the future. With FlowFuse, the process to get started with Node-RED is really quick and straightforward. All you need to do is create an account at flowfuse.com. To create an account, you need to provide a username, full name, an email address, a password, answer a few questions, and sign up. You'll need to confirm your email address. Once that is done, you can log in to your account. Once your account is created, FlowFuse automatically creates a Node-RED instance for you. Typically take less than a minute. After the instance is created, you can open the Node-RED editor and start programming with Node-RED. FlowFuse also allows you to specify what versions of Node-RED you can see. Right now you can see I'm using Node-RED 3.0.2 and Node.js 16.20. You can also change these versions at a later time. So FlowFuse is all about making it easy to get started with Node-RED. We hope you agree.